Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and here I am Naveen with an exciting new video about how my week 40 was. I'm a student at Brototype pursuing data science. So here I am developing the skills to become production ready engineer to help startups or other MNCs build their products as to improve their products and make their products usable for the users. So that's what I'm building skills for. So currently I'm at module 40 out of 52 modules which are available there at Brocamp. So in this module I'm at full domain, the third full domain, which means that I'm revising all the previous topics, especially the topics after the second full domain. So I'm covering topics, I'm revising topics from week 27 to week 39. And all those weeks will be, the questions from all those weeks will be asked in this 14th week. That's how the things are going on. And especially to say about this week, I would say that actually, it was when revising I got to get much more refinement and a deeper understanding of machine learning algorithms. There were a lot of gaps in my understanding, and most of the times I realized that when I'm learning new concept, when I study the statements or when I study the sentences or theory part of it, I take certain topics for granted. What I mean is, I simply study this is how it is. I don't actually understand it. I just study that this thing works with this thing, but I don't know how it works. I may lack a clear understanding or clarity about the functioning of it, how it works, what is its basis. So that was a real problem that I had when I was learning those concepts back then. But during this revision week, I was able to recap all those topics and find the gaps that I had. And once I found, oh, okay, I have a gap in understanding in this particular concept, with the help of ChatGPT, I tried to understand those topics rather by asking questions rather than just simply studying or memorizing. I was asking why it was needed, why this feature is needed, what happens if it is not present, what are the consequences that we will have to face, and what are the different ways we can solve this problem, and what are the trade-offs for each of the solutions. So this was a really great way of studying and pushing my mind. So I realized that rather than just understanding some concepts and learning some things, I truly felt like I was trying to expand my mind, expand my context about my understanding of how things work, why certain tools are used for certain purposes. So these were great improvements that I had overall throughout this week. This is what I would truly say about my technical progression. When it comes to other experiences, I would say that I was also actively researching about the job market, what are the kind of skills that I need to develop so that I can provide the skills that the companies are actually looking for. So this is a real problem because when we are learning at an institution like Procam, yeah, they may not be able to provide us the up-to-date syllabus. Yeah, what I'm studying here at Brototype is the standard things that a data scientist or a machine learning engineer has to do. But other than that, when new technologies arise in the market, it's the candidate's job to search about it, to be aware about the latest technologies, changes that are happening in the market, the trends that are coming, what are the requirements of companies, what are the different ways how companies look at solving different problems. So a candidate should be always aware about this thing and work on those things. Try to learn new concepts why certain things happen. So I think that was a really great, valuable lesson which I had, and I'm really grateful for all those people who really helped me to understand those things in a really different way. Yeah. So that's what I wanted to tell you about my week 14th module at Brototype, and I hope you got a better understanding of what I wanted to say. Yeah, that's it. That's what I wanted to tell you guys, and if you really uh, find it valuable, please share it, please comment it down, and I will be really happy to reply to you. Okay, see you guys later. See you in the next week when I am at 41st module, where I will share my experiences at 41st module of MLOps.